Welcome. This is Gabby with a Cup of Zen, and I wanted to show you the Instant Maze Generator. This is a really awesome software collection by Niranjan and BP. I'm just really thrilled by the level of coding and attention to detail that went into creating this program. And it's so easy to use, and there's so many great features that it's just a really awesome program. Even at the front end value of the program, you can see that I have a features comparison sheet here. Even on the front end value of the program, you get so much. But if you upgrade to one of the other programs, you get a lot more. You get like all of these great features. So this is just an awesome, awesome program. In the front end version, you get the ability to, one of the biggest features, you get the ability to download files in JPEG, PDF, and PNG, but you're only limited to 100 downloads per month. But if you upgrade to the next, I think it's Pro, let me check. Yeah, if you upgrade to Pro, then you get the ability added on to download it in PowerPoint and SVG. And you get unlimited downloads per month. Plus, you get the ability to add your own images. And somewhere, you also get the ability to create those images as mazes, which is the awesomest ever. So I'm going to go into Elite and show you, let's show you the basic version of how this works. So you get these maze shapes. This comes with the basic version. And you can add any of these to your canvas just by clicking it, and it'll add it to the canvas. It'll also show the solution here. So if you want to create a book of mazes, you can also do that. I think that's in the, yeah, that should be in the front end version as well. You can go here, create a book, my book of mazes. You get different levels. Simple is like maybe ages 3 and up. Medium, I would say, is ages 8 and up. It might be a little bit harder. Complex is definitely teen to adult. So we can create all three of these, and I'll show you what they look like. And so I'm going to press Create Book. And then this is simple, so you can see that's just really easy. A 3-year-old can figure that one out. And then I created one of each of the different shapes. Then it goes to medium. That's a little bit harder. I would say probably for maybe a 7 to 8-year-old. Then it goes to complex. This is definitely teen to adult level. We don't want to be giving our 3-year-olds stuff like this. I don't think they might be able to figure it out. We don't know. Okay, so then there's the solutions down here. But let me show you this. If you go here and you have all these different options up here, like creating a background color for the maze, you can select a different color. You can also change the wall color if you want it to be black or white. Looks pretty cool. Maybe you like purple. And finally, you can change the solution color. So if you like red as your solution color or black, you have the option to change it. There's no software out there like this that I've seen. Not at this price point, at least. Another thing that you can do is you can select your maze and change the sizing. So it's at a pretty high complexity. You can make it even harder if you want. Or maybe you changed your mind, you want to take it back down to a more basic level. You can change the wall thickness. It can go thicker or it can go thinner if you like the thinner version. And then the solution also changes to down here, where it'll change the thickness of the solution path. And then finally, you can download these as PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, JPEG, SVG. And that comes with the Pro version and up. I'll just download it as a PowerPoint and show you. I'm going to enable editing. And then there's my mazes. It just downloads it like an image file. So then you can add text, or you can add a background, or you can add whatever it is that you want to these pages. And then it shows it just like it did on the platform, where I changed the background and I changed the color of the maze wall and everything else. So you can play with this and do all kinds of things. So let me show you this also. We're going to go back to collections and go here, and I'm going to name this one 2. And this is where you can add images to your canvas. So I've already uploaded these images. If I want to clear them out, I can just press clear and confirm. And then I'm going to show you these images here. You can click and drag them in here, or you can press upload and find them on your hard drive. Once you add them, you want to click them to select which ones you want to add. And then instead of having to go through and insert them all page by page, you can just go insert all and it does it for you. It skips the first page, so I'm just going to remove that page. And then there's my images. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to create a maze out of these. So the only thing I have to do is press maze, and boom. Was that like half a second? I don't even know. That was so quick, and it's done. Now what I want to do is, these are on layers. So this maze is going to be the first layer, and this is the layer underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of that, and I'm going to make this one bigger so that it fills my page. And same with this one. And then I'm just going to make this bigger. There we go. And if I don't like something on these mazes, like maybe this one's too complex, but the other one wasn't complex enough, I can change that too. There's that. And then I can go here and I can change the maze sizing if I want to make it a little less complex, depending on the age group that I'm looking to have this book created for. And there we go. Another great thing on this level of, this is the elite, this level of the maze generator, is you can customize your entry and exit point. So you can see this is where the entry point is. So I want to change that to over here. So it just changed the maze and the solution. And maybe I want to change the end cell to be over here. Or no, I want to change it there to the bottom. And then I just press confirm, and it's changed. And it changed here, and it also changed here in our solutions. So the next thing I might want to do is to change the wall color. Let's pick a purple. I think that looks pretty cool. All right. So now our mazes are done. So what we can do is download it as the PowerPoint, and it comes out exactly how you saw on the screen. And I can just enable editing and add backgrounds or frames or whatever I want to add to it, and publish my book, and I'm done. And I think I spent less than 10 minutes so far. And the great thing is that you can add as a bunch of images in here and create 30 pages in just a few clicks. So it's really awesome software. Another thing that you can do is that if you buy the upgrade, they have done for you backgrounds. So I'm going to change these back to the black wall color since the backgrounds are in black and white. And they're meant for publishing. So let's see what we have here. So we can choose this one here, and there it is. So now what I would want to do is to reduce the size of my maze here, and then move this. They're trying to figure out how to get something off the tree, and there's a big popsicle stick. So that one's ready. Then there's a holiday. I'm not quite sure what holiday this is, but I'm going to click it and see. So this is an upgrade. Oh, I must not have clicked it hard enough. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it went on the cupcake one. I must have had that one selected. So there's that. And then we're going to go here and select this lifestyle one. There we go. Okay, so let's make this a little bit, make this littler. There we go. That balloon's kind of high, so this might not be the best page for this one. You can always delete it if you don't want to use that one. There. Now we give this little superhero guy something to work for. Work for the ice cream cone there. Okay, so now that this is an upgrade, and you get all of these in one of the upgrades for Instant Maze Generator, and they're already built in, so you can add them here. If you have the frames, like the frames that I provide in one of the upgrades, you can download it to PowerPoint and then just add it into PowerPoint there. Or you can actually add it in this app too. You can upload your images and have them, you can add it, insert it onto each of these different pages if you want to do that. I think it might take more time to do that on these different pages personally. Do that, you could do it in the app if you want to. So anyway, this is a great app and it's on sale right now, and even when it goes up in price, it's still a great deal, and you can publish some books with it using mazes and sell them on Amazon or Etsy or your own website. However you want to do that, it's a great app to get. So I hope that you'll get it and check out my bonuses through my affiliate link. Thank you.